A 75-inch 4K interactive touch display like this is built for one clear purpose: to replace outdated presentation tools with a single, connected, intelligent workspace. Instead of juggling projectors, whiteboards, and external devices, everything is brought together into one large, responsive panel designed for collaboration. The first thing that stands out is the sheer scale of the display. At 75 inches, it naturally becomes the focal point of any room. Whether it is a classroom, conference hall, or training environment, the size ensures that everyone has a clear view without straining. Combined with 4K resolution, the level of detail is sharp enough that even small text, diagrams, and spreadsheets remain readable from a distance. Clarity is not just about resolution, it is also about consistency. On a display this size, lower quality panels often suffer from color shifts or soft edges when viewed from the side. Here, the 4K panel ensures stable clarity across the entire viewing area, making it practical for group environments where people are seated at different angles. The real transformation comes from the interactive layer. This is not a passive screen where content is only displayed. It responds directly to touch input, allowing users to write, draw, navigate, and manipulate content in real time. This creates a more natural workflow, especially in situations where ideas need to be captured quickly and visually. In a classroom setting, this changes how lessons are delivered. Instead of writing on a traditional board or switching between multiple devices, educators can present content, annotate directly on it, and save everything digitally for later use. This makes lessons more flexible and easier to revisit. In corporate environments, it turns meetings into interactive sessions where teams can brainstorm directly on the screen instead of relying on separate notes or slides. One of the biggest advantages is consolidation. Traditional setups often require multiple tools working separately. A projector for display, a laptop for control, a whiteboard for explanation, and sometimes even external speakers for audio. This interactive display merges all of that into one system. It simplifies setup, reduces cable clutter, and minimizes the time wasted on switching between devices. The touch responsiveness is designed for smooth interaction. Multiple users can engage with the screen at the same time, making it ideal for group discussions, workshops, and collaborative planning sessions. Whether it is dragging content, sketching ideas, or highlighting key points, the experience feels immediate and fluid rather than delayed or laggy. Color reproduction is another important strength. The display delivers balanced tones that are suitable for both professional and educational use. Presentations appear clear and structured, while multimedia content like videos or graphics retains its visual depth. This makes it versatile enough for both teaching and business communication. Audio support is integrated into the system, providing enough sound output for standard rooms without requiring immediate external speakers. While larger venues may still benefit from dedicated audio systems, the built-in sound is sufficient for meetings, lessons, and presentations where clarity of voice is the priority. From a productivity standpoint, the biggest benefit is how it streamlines workflow. Files can be opened directly on the screen, annotated in real time, and shared instantly. There is no need to transfer between multiple devices or interrupt the flow of a presentation. This reduces friction and keeps attention focused on the content rather than the tools. Connectivity also plays a key role. The display supports integration with laptops and other devices, allowing seamless switching between sources. This is especially useful in environments where multiple presenters or users need quick access without technical delays. Over time, this kind of display shifts how collaboration happens. Instead of static presentations, teams work in dynamic environments where information is constantly being adjusted, refined, and shared. This leads to faster decision-making and more engaging discussions. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this new Line 75-inch 4K touchscreen display interactive VN series, then please check the link provided in the description. Overall, this is more than just a large display. It is a full collaboration platform designed to unify communication, improve engagement, and modernize how people interact with information in shared spaces.